मोजां मोनदों जोंनि मानासनि दिनै जा फिथा हानाय टुरिस्टफोरनि थाखाय बा दावबायारिफोरनि थाखाय बे खामानिखौ बे गोथार खामानिखौ आंनि आखाइजों मावनो मोननानै गोजोननाय मोनदों। बिसेसके आं मोनसे बाथ्राखौसो बुंनो नागिरदों बे हालामनि जोंनि रायजो राजाफ्रा दिनै मानासखौ दादों आरो मानासखौ फोथांना लाखिदों। इयुनावबो बे हालामनि रायजो राजाफ्रानो मानासखौ फोथांना लाखिगोन आरो स्पेसियेलि आं धन्यबाद होदों जोंनि फरेस्ट बिफाननिफ्राय बे मानासखौ रैखाथि होनायाव जायफ्रा गावसोरनि जिउ मोदोमखौ संहार खालामनानैबाबो बा सेक्रिफाइस खालामदों बिथांमोनखौबो आंनि गोरबोनिफ्राय हामबाय होनदों। दावबायारिफ्राथ' गोदोनिख्रुइ बांनायनिफ्राय बांबोगासिनो दङ। मानोना मानब गेदेर प्रमद बर' बिथांनि बे सरकारनि समाव सान्थि गायसननायनि जाहोनाव दिनै बर'फ्रा जे सान्थि लुबैसुला बेखौ मोनसे प्रमान मोनदों आरो बर' रायजोनि सिङाव थानाय मानास नेसनेल पार्कआव जे गोरलैयैनो दावबायफैनानै बे हालामनि जोंनि राव हारिमु थुनलाइखौ सोलोंनाय आरो बाहागो लानो मोननायाव बिथांमोना बिराद गोजोन फोरमायदों। थांनाय बारावहाय जार्मान, अस्ट्रेलिया आरो आमेरिकानिफ्राय फैनाय टुरिस्टफ्रा जोंजों मोगा मोगि जादोंमोन रायमना नेसनेल पार्क आरो जोंनि मानास नेसनेल पार्कआव बिथांमोना बिराद गोजोननाय फोरमायलांदों। अप्रक्सिमेटलि बिदि आन्दाज खालामनो हाया, थांनाय बारनिख्रुइ थाम गुन बारा जागोन होननानै जोंहा फोथायनाय दङ।
See, every time the reopening takes place here in Manas, we are also invited by our counterpart officials. So we are very happy to extend our facilitation to our executive members who have already visited and came here as a guest of honor. And because of these reasons, and you see, India and Bhutan maintain a very cordial, harmonious and peaceful relationship till date. So this trusting relationship, I don't want to mix it. So that's why I came here to pay our respect, to continue our cordial relationship with our counterparts for all years to come. So with this, I feel that our relationship can be a living example to the rest of the world. Sure. So that's why I came here. So while coming to the Indian tourists, we are doing every possible ways to extend even our there are certain designated zones. I think you know it, where you are not allowed to go beyond that designated. Now this time onwards, I think we are extending the zones to the casual visitor who will be visiting, and that process I think within a day or two is going to get through. So with this, I think almost all our casual visitors from across the border can visit Panbang, and we will extend every possible ways to make it more comfortable to our visitors. Thank you.